Good morning, students. As we all know that today is fun day, so today we will do some activities. We all are at home and it is a very good time to decorate our houses. For this, today we will make a wall hanging as shown in this picture. For this wall hanging, we need a thread, glue or fevicol, craft papers, a cardboard or any shoe box at your home, a pair of scissors. Now we start. Take a cardboard and make a circle with the help of any round thing. I am using a bowl. You can use whatever you have to make a proper circle. You can see. Now cut it with the help of scissors. You can take help from your elders. Now you can see the circle is ready. Take a sheet or craft paper and make a circle with the help of cardboard. Now cut the circle. See, the circle is ready. Now paste the circle let it dry. Now take craft papers or any kind of papers available at your home. Here I am using white A4 size paper to make this wall hanging. For this, we will make cones, and for cones we need a square sheet. Now I am making a square from A4 size sheet. If you have craft papers, you can use those craft papers. Now the square is ready. We will make a cone from this square sheet. After making a perfect cone, we will paste the edges of the cone. You have to make the cone like this and paste the edges of this cone. Now it is ready. Now take your circle and start pasting your cones. You need total 14 coins to paste on this circle. Let it dry. After pasting all the cones on the circle, now here is the final result. You can see only one cone is left. Now I will paste the last cone on this circle. See, it is ready. Now we will take a circle, a small circle, to paste in between. Use this sheet to make a small circle. Cut it. See, a small square. We will make a circle from this. Now the circle is ready. We will paste this circle in between this. It is almost ready. Now we need 5 more cones of different shapes. See, 5 different shapes. As shown in this video, we will paste the thread on the cones. Now I will paste these cones You can paste these cones as you want. I am pasting these cones. You can see how I am pasting these cones. See, now our wall hanging is ready. Hope you like this. Try this at home and share with me. All the best, everyone. Bye.